If you guys use Telegram, you just save lots of time. If you want to save time, just install Telegram. These are the 12 Telegram bots you should try right now. First one in the list, Zoom bot. If you don't want to install Zoom app to save space, just link the Zoom bot with your Telegram app. It is done. Just like Zoom app, you can use all the services in this bot. Nowadays, everyone have a Zoom meeting, right? Why can't you try a Zoom bot to save some space? Same like Zoom app, you can just enter the login credentials and done. You can just say hi. And second one in the list, game bot. If you love to play games and again you want to save more space in your mobile, just use this bot. This bot has so many games that you can become a pro gamer, and these games you can play with your friends also. It is a multiplayer games, so use this bot to challenge your friends. Next one in the list, it is a travel bot. If you travel a lot, this bot is a lifesaver for you. Using this bot, you can search for affordable hotels and flights. This bot powered by a sky scanner and fetches all the information in real time. Next one in the list, it is a Mediabot. Using Get Mediabot, you can just search for music or videos or any media in the internet and you can download it. Also, you can download platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or anything. And next one in the list, Kedibot. If you guys want a reminder bot, this is for you. You can just create a reminders for you and then it will automatically remind you at that time. This is the one of the best Telegram bots because it will remind you all the time. And the next one is a file converter bot. If you want to convert the files from one extension to another extension, this is for you. If you want to convert an image with a PNG extension to JPEG extension, it is done in a second. Not only images, you can just convert any media like videos or any other documents or something. Next one in the list, the Babelgram bot. This bot can translate and speak multiple languages. Babelgram is a free app. You can use this app to convert text messages, videos in one click. And the next one in the list, Dropmail.me. The Dropmail bot allows you to create unlimited Gmail accounts with worldwide domains. Next one is the Truecaller bot. If you don't want to install a Truecaller app in your mobile, you can just link this bot to Telegram account. You can just copy paste the number you want to search. Within a second, it will give results. Next one in the list, IFTTT. If this, then that. This bot main goal is to connect various online services and automation. This bot connects your group or channel to various sites like Instagram, Facebook or something like that. And also you can program this bot to take certain actions when certain circumstances are met. And the next one in the list, there is nothing in the list. If you want any bots, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, subscribe. Bye bye.